Use of log and antilog tables in calculation. Now the tabular form. Example, calculate 2.934 times 72.89 without the use of calculator. Whenever you see a question like this and you are told to calculate without the use of calculator, what comes to your mind? Logarithm. That is, we have to solve this using logarithm. So solution. Since we are calculating this in tabular form, we draw a table. We have the log here, and here, in case we have any workings, we'll make the workings at this side. Here we'll have the number. Now to solve this, we take the first number, 2.934. I'll find the log of 2.934. The first part of the logarithm is to find the integer part. Now instead of expressing this in standard form, you can equally say, okay, how many digits do we have before the decimal point? 1, just 1 digit before the decimal point for this number. That means the integer part will be 1 minus 1. That is, whatever number of digits you have here, you subtract 1 from it to get the integer part. So you're having 0 points. Now under the logarithm table, you check 29 under 3 difference 4, which is going to give us 4675. Now we say times the next number, 72.89. Recall in the previous examples that whenever we have multiply, indices will turn into a plus. That is, we add up the powers. Here also, whenever you multiply like this, for the logarithm, it becomes plus. Now let's look for the logarithm of 72.89. For the integer part, count the number of digits you have before the decimal point. 1, 2. You subtract 1 from it, you are left with 1 point. Now we'll take the logarithm value from the logarithm table, 72 under 8 difference 9, which gives us 8626. Now we add it up. 5 plus 6, that's 11, 1, we take 1. 7 plus 1, 8, plus 2, 10. So we write 0, we take 1. 6 plus 1, 7, plus 6, 13. We write 3 and we take 1. 1 plus 4, 5, plus 8, that gives us 13. 3, we take 1. 1 plus 0, 1, plus 1, 2. Now here we have the final value for our logarithm. Now the next thing for us to do is we take the antilog. I know when taking the antilog, you only take the readings for the decimal part. That is, under your antilog table, we take the reading of 33 under 0, difference 1, which gives us 2139. And to figure out where the decimal point is going to be, we look at the integer. Here it is 2 plus 1, that's 3. So that means we count 3 digits before placing our decimal point. 1, 2, 3. So the decimal point becomes there, and that gives us our final answer. Thank you.